Hi, this is Grandpa Photography, just bringing you more some tips and tricks about photographing a Burning Man and how I prepare for burn night. Burn night for all of us documentarians associated with Fire Conclave is a very, very big night. I plan nothing for burn day, nothing. I have a safety meeting I have to go to, there's a few other little things I have to do, but other than that, there's nothing. I will make sure I'm well fed. I will make sure I'm well rested so that everything's good. And I will try and prepare everything as much as I can in my kit. I will walk out there with my cameras on me, not in a bag. I will have a backpack. On my backpack and on myself, I will have blinky lights. I don't turn them on when I'm going out there, but once everything's finished and the crowd is released, yeah, I want to be able to reach over to my arm and, you know, turn my little blinky lights on so that people can see me. I will have my goggles. I will have my rain shield for my camera. I will have a very large platypus, just because it's out there, because it's going to get hot and it's going to be dry. I will have snacks. I will bring some form of pee cup, whether it be like this or whether it be a gel one. Either way, they both work. You can get ticketed for peeing on the fly. I will bring a roll of tape. This is Gorilla Tape. It'll either be Gorilla Tape or duct tape, so that I know that I can do any running repairs. I will also bring extra cards, extra batteries. I will bring another full set of batteries for both cameras so that I know that even if everything goes wrong, I can still make it through the conclave performance, the man burning, and everything else afterwards, and get back to camp and capture the images. So, what's in your pack when you go? Let me know in the comments. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask either here or over at Instagram, Grandpa Photography, and I will check you all in the next one. Cheers.